Welcome to the grand finale episode, Journey Through the Big Bend of Texas. In our previous 4 episodes, what did we learn about our journey through the Texas Big Bend? We learned about the ecology and what makes up this vast desert landscape. It truly is beautiful and it has its own ecological system in place. It is very fascinating. We also explored a campground, some beautiful old ruins. We also explored the ghost town and cemetery of Terlinga. On our journey, we've been searching for bluebonnets. We found the bluebonnets in one place in the Big Bend National Park. The journey does not always take us on a direct path to what we think the result should be from the experience of the journey. It takes us on a winding, roundabout road sometimes, and we really have to keep our eyes open to see what it is that's important. One thing I learned on this journey: patience. Patience with self, patience with nature, and patience with time. Finally, I crossed paths with this little scraggly bunch of bluebonnet. They weren't much to look at, but check out the backdrop. It was phenomenal. And it didn't really matter how many there were. It's just that they were. And it's as if they greeted me and said, "Here you go. You have now found your treasure on your journey. You searched and searched for us. Now here we are." As we're flying back down the road, back through the park, I'm thinking about how we need to hurry and get back to Studi Butte. That's where I saw the most bluebonnets. Will we ever get there before sundown? Time. Patience. Uh-oh. Nothing like being stopped by the Border Patrol. We all were. There was an accident up ahead, but everyone was okay. What's a gypsy to do? When they tell her she can go no further, she comes out shooting, that's what. With her cameras, of course. Bonnie and Clyde and I went to work on these fantastic desert shots. No time to waste here. We took advantage of the light while we could and waited for us to be able to proceed on down the road. time to meet the bodyguards. I mean, after all, you're not truly a gypsy princess unless you have escorts, right? This fabulous gang escorted me down to the Texas border near Mexico. They told me they would help me find the bluebonnets, even if the biggest patch of bluebonnets we found were across from the campground where we spent the night before. It sure was fun going out and trying to chase more down. Fabulous memories made for a lifetime, and new friends as well. Thanks for keeping me safe. I hope you had as much fun watching the series Journey Through the Big Bend as much as I did getting to record and edit and put it all together. It truly was a fabulous trip, and I'm so thankful that I was able to make it. Thanks, God, I saw that. Enjoy the journey! Today, this channel is proud to announce the arrival of new designs in the Teespring shop. Each design features a beautiful photograph on the front and logo on the back. Here are some examples. Mugs. T-shirts. Ladies' t-shirts. Tank tops. Tote bags. Get yours today and be environmentally conscious. Link to the Teespring shop available in the description down below. Get your merch today. It helps keep me on the road bringing you great creative content. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, enjoy the journey.